I got it! The BX-27 Random Booster Sphinx Cowl Select. Before I unbox them, let me pack this order. I didn't make BX-27 available for pre-order. Because of the fire accident, I'm still trying to catch up on things. But it has arrived and is now available for sale as ready stock. Previously, I posted a video covering everything you should know about Takara Tomy Random Boosters while unboxing my BX-24. Check out the video next if you haven't already. If you don't know, BX-27 is the second Random Booster Select, released by Takara Tomy as part of the Beyblade X. But what is Random Booster Select? In this video, I'll try my best to share everything you need to know about Random Booster Select. First, unlike the regular Random Booster, the Random Booster Select only has 3 Beyblades to draw from, at least for now. Also, unlike the regular Random Booster, you'll have an equal chance of pulling all 3 bays, including the prize bay. Why so? Because each carton box of the Random Booster Select, which holds 24 units, contains 8 complete sets. But this doesn't mean that the prize bay will be selling at the same price as the other 2, if sellers decide to sell it individually. I'll explain in a while because I'm about to unbox my own BX-27. It will be easier if I use them to illustrate. Here's my BX-27. I have the full set here. Similar to the regular Random Booster, you cannot tell which bay you'll get by looking at the box. How about to identify by weight? I know some buyers bring scales to try to guess what's inside based on the weight. As you can see, I always weigh my items while packing. I have to say, using weight isn't reliable, although it might work sometimes. Okay, BX-2703. Yup, this is the most direct way to find out what's inside. Let's start with the bit. This is Orb, not a new part, as its debut was in BX-16 Random Booster Viper Tail Select. This is 560 Ratchet, not new either. It's been released multiple times, first in BX-15, then in BX-21, BX-24, BX-26, and now in BX-27, in various colors. Now, the blade, Sphinx Cowl. A new part, because up to this point, you can only get Sphinx Cowl via BX-27. The good news is, regardless of which random you receive, for sure you will get a Sphinx Cowl blade. This is the most distinctive difference between Random Booster Select and the regular Random Boosters. In other words, you'll get the same blade in all 3 sets, but in different colors. Do you know which set is this I'm opening? By looking at the color scheme, it is 02. Much like other Random Boosters, for the non-stock combo bays, Takara Tomy will rematch the parts but will try to match the colors. That's why earlier we had 03 in a white theme, and now 02 is in a black theme. Which one do you prefer regardless of the parts? I think I prefer black. Also, it appears that Takara Tomy is taking a different approach in the Random Booster Select. Instead of randomly mixing and matching parts without much consideration, they have thoughtfully customized the bay and providing explanations in their videos. So I suppose Takara Tomy is using the Random Booster Select to demonstrate how to customize Beyblade X bays. After all, they aim to elevate Beyblade into a sport. This won't be possible if most bladers don't have the knowledge to do customizations like in the previous series. Okay, as you can see, I'm now on the last set, the 01 prize bay. This is Gear Needle, also known as GN Bit. New part. As of now you can only obtain it from this particular set BX-2701. 980 Ratchet. Another new part. Similar to the Gear Needle Bit, you can only obtain it from 01, as of now. And finally, the Sphinx Cowl Blade. By now you should know why purchasing the confirmed set of 01 will be more expensive than 02 and 03, even though the probability of pulling them is the same. Because it is the stock combo, and on top of that, all the parts are new, leading to very high demand. So putting them together is the Sphinx Cowl 980 GN stock combo, and this is its owner. Because I didn't open the pre-order for BX-27, I'll include the Sphinx Cowl Beyfan Bay info card for the first 5 buyers who purchase the full set. Now, I have an important question for you while I pack this second parcel. Do you think the probability of getting the 3 bays will be the same when you buy a random set? In the Everything You Should Know About Random Booster video, I have kind of revealed a dark secret. A secret that most sellers won't want you to know. And that is, sellers are able to identify what's the bay inside. But how? Definitely not by checking the weight. Yes, probably opening them up and checking the QR code card, like I'm doing now. Then carefully tape it back without leaving any marks. This is usually what a small reseller would do. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying all resellers will do that. But like I always say, buy from sellers you can trust. Or don't buy random set, buy confirmed set instead. Oh yes, this buyer got the limited edition Sphinx Cowl Beyfan Bey info card. So back to what I was saying, larger sellers don't even need to open the box to know its contents. But this is the most I can reveal because I'm also a seller. And yes, I can identify what's inside without opening or weighing it. That's why I don't sell random sets. I can't ignore my conscience. I can't deny that buying a random set is more tempting because they are cheaper. In that case, buy from mega stores like Takara Tomy, Toys R Us, and malls. Because we assume the malls have too much to deal with and they have a reputation to keep. They are less likely to remove the prize or valuable bays from the random set. Even so, make sure to check the box carefully as it could have been tampered by other shoppers looking for the bays they want. Please don't do this, tampering the box for the bay you want. Besides getting into trouble, you are also being unfair to others. More importantly, don't sacrifice your integrity for a moment of greediness. You wouldn't want to look back and feel ashamed of yourself. Instead, work hard for your dreams and be proud of yourself. If you have done this before, just don't do it again. You may have noticed that I'm handling this parcel differently from the previous ones, and there's an additional item included. My regular viewers will know that this and also the next parcel are the ones buyers requested to be filmed and featured in a separate short video, which I'll be uploading soon. Whether or not I get to film, as long as I'm in time, I will get my capsule machines to help me pick a Beyfan ultra thin wristband for them. If you've gained something from this video, I'd love to hear about it. Please share in the comments. Thank you for staying with me until this far. I'll see you in the next video.